In the last video, we studied about the filling of dielectric between capacitor plates. So now we will take a particular case in which the dielectric does not cover the entire gap, but it is partially filled. So when the capacitor plates are partially filled with the dielectric, then it will look something like this. If these are the capacitor plates and dielectric is inserted only partially, then the dielectric will look like this. So this dielectric we will have of dielectric constant K and of thickness T. Now the thickness between the plates, the gap between the plates is D, so that means the remaining area will be D minus T. So let us say now this area, this is nothing but air or free space. Let us say its dielectric constant is K1, although we know that the dielectric constant of air is 1, but for now we will take it K1 and then later we will substitute this value with 1. So if this is the case, then the equivalent capacitance can be found out by using the formula that we discussed in the previous video, that these two gaps can be considered as two capacitors connected in series. Then in that case, C equivalent will be equal to A epsilon naught upon T on K plus D minus T upon K1. Now putting the value of K1 equals to 1, because the dielectric constant of air is 1, so we will put K1 equals to 1 and C equivalent will become A epsilon naught T by K plus D minus T upon 1. Now if you can arrange it, then the C equivalent can be found out to be you can arrange it on your own by different methods. It does not really matter because the final answer will be same. So this will be your formula when dielectric is partially filled between the capacitor plates. Now if this dielectric is suppose displaced, instead of here, if this dielectric is displaced to the right, then it does not matter, because then this T will come on this side and the remaining air will again be D minus T. So we will eventually get this formula only. Suppose the dielectric is in the middle. Suppose if this is our capacitor plates and dielectric is filled in this way in the middle and it has thickness T and this is D, then again the total distance, these two gaps will again be equal to D minus T only. So it will not really make any difference with the arrangement of the dielectric in these ways. The formula will be same. So there will be no change in potential difference if we change the orientation of the dielectric on left or right or in the middle like this, then there will no potential difference change and no change in charge distribution. So the C equivalent will remain same with this formula only.